The annual assembly of the Syiem Sutnga Clan and its 14 exogamous groups, collectively known as Khatsaw Khnong, was held at Madankynsaw, Mookyndeng, drawing thousands of attendees. The gathering focused on discussions related to the welfare and cultural preservation of the clan. A key moment of the event was a speech by Advocate Khnong Syiem Sutnga, who highlighted the historical injustices suffered by the Jaintia people under British rule. He emphasized his ongoing efforts to seek reparations from the British government for the atrocities committed during the annexation of the Jaintia kingdom in 1835. These included oppressive laws and the execution of the Jaintia resistance leader Kyang Nangba in 1862. Sutnga estimated the losses to be over rupees 2 lakh crore and demanded both financial compensation and a formal apology from Britain. In addition to historical grievances, Sutnga underscored the importance of preserving the matrilineal traditions of the community. He urged upon clan members to elect leaders in the upcoming election who are committed to protecting their cultural heritage and ensuring the well-being of the community.
Woman Advocate General Younger Tripura SSD Ulung Kong Onginga White Mat Ba Erwin, let you go ahead almost send it to the British government only by the policy for the Sandur ke Sorkar Bilato Usu Upama to jadi tidak benjol kamkam diri kita. Nampak lebah operasi hidup hai tay yang macam. Semua ikhtiar yang kita nampak. Wang mula terun kekhmat cesepsi. Inyo ini juga jauh. Terun kekhmat cemisi. Dah mulai loy tergari jadi. Hai ni orang dia kini kian yang kian nampak. Tuan penuan sekian ini. Woi ka hok pun kini ni. Daga jingkar chan yang bakur. Ulai sekemat ini. Daga maaf Sorkar Bilat ulai se UN. Ulai se International Court of Justice. Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi dan boleh timit kau pilar yang Rahul. So advocate senior advocate we track lama untuk Supreme Court. Mana kali yang jadi on par dengan kau tengah. Pagi ini saya tahu opinion dia.
The event concluded with traditional dance performances and the symbolic unfurling of the clan flag by Clan President Syiem Sutnga, marking the significance of unity and heritage among the Syiem Sutnga Clan.
Lepas tiba orang kadang pendian ni kelamak. Teknik buat kau di pestoriong i ya.